Travel can expose a sneaker to almost everything in a single day. You might walk through an airport for hours, stand in security lines, rush between terminals, sit on a long flight, explore unfamiliar streets, climb stairs, walk across uneven sidewalks, and still have enough energy left to find a restaurant at night. That's why choosing a travel sneaker is completely different from choosing a sneaker simply because it looks good. The ideal travel shoe needs to be comfortable enough for thousands of steps, lightweight enough that it doesn't become a burden inside your luggage, supportive enough for long walking days, breathable enough for warm destinations, and stylish enough that you don't feel like you're wearing a dedicated athletic shoe everywhere you go. In 2026, sneaker technology has made that combination much easier to find. Brands are creating shoes that blur the line between running footwear, walking shoes, lifestyle sneakers, and everyday travel gear. Some models focus on soft cushioning, others prioritize lightweight construction, while a few manage to combine performance technology with a clean appearance that works with jeans, trousers, shorts, and casual travel outfits. These are the 7 best sneakers for travel in 2026 that combine lightweight construction, comfort, support, versatility, and style. Whether you're preparing for a vacation, business trip, international journey, or weekend city adventure, these sneakers are designed to keep up with the way modern travelers actually move. Number 7. Hoka Transport 2. Starting our countdown at number 7 is the Hoka Transport 2, a sneaker that sits right at the intersection of walking comfort, travel practicality, and everyday style. Hoka is widely recognized for cushioned footwear, but the Transport series takes that comfort and puts it into a package that looks much more appropriate for everyday travel. That's important because a travel sneaker has to do more than simply feel good while walking. It needs to work with your wardrobe and survive multiple situations throughout the day. The Transport 2 has a relatively streamlined appearance compared with some of Hoka's more heavily cushioned running shoes, making it easier to wear with casual trousers, jeans, shorts, and travel outfits. One of its biggest advantages is the cushioning platform. When you're traveling, you can easily accumulate far more steps than you normally walk at home. A sightseeing day that begins with breakfast can quickly turn into 10, 15, or even 20,000 steps. Having a cushioned platform underneath your feet can make those long days feel more manageable. Another major advantage is the overall practicality of the shoe. Travel often means moving between different surfaces, including airport flooring, pavement, sidewalks, hotel corridors, and outdoor paths. A dependable outsole can provide the traction needed to handle those transitions. The Transport 2 also has the kind of construction that makes sense for travelers who want one shoe capable of doing multiple jobs. You can wear it during the flight, walk around the destination, use it for casual activities, and continue wearing it to dinner without looking completely out of place. That's a major advantage when luggage space is limited. Instead of packing separate walking shoes and casual sneakers, one versatile pair can potentially cover both roles. The Hoka Transport 2 earns number 7 because it combines cushioning, practical traction, travel versatility, and a modern outdoor-inspired appearance, making it a strong option for travelers who expect their shoes to work hard from airport departure to the final day of the trip. Number 6. ECCO Soft 7. Coming in at number 6 is the ECCO Soft 7, and this sneaker takes a completely different approach to travel footwear. Instead of looking like a running shoe disguised as a lifestyle sneaker, the Soft 7 focuses heavily on clean European styling and everyday comfort. That's exactly why it can be such a useful travel shoe. Travelers often face a wardrobe problem. Athletic sneakers are comfortable, but they don't always look appropriate when you're heading to a nice restaurant, business meeting, museum, or upscale hotel. The Soft 7 solves part of that problem by giving you a much cleaner silhouette that can work with a wider range of clothing. Its understated design allows it to transition naturally from casual travel outfits to slightly more polished looks. But appearance isn't the only reason this sneaker deserves a spot on the list. The Soft 7 is designed around everyday walking comfort, with a construction intended to keep the foot comfortable during extended wear. That's important when you're traveling because footwear rarely gets a break. You might wear your shoes from the moment you leave your hotel until late at night. A sneaker that feels comfortable across multiple environments becomes far more valuable than one designed for a single activity. Another advantage is versatility. You can wear the Soft 7 with jeans, chinos, casual trousers, shorts, or travel pants without creating a visual mismatch. That means you can pack fewer pairs while still maintaining different outfits. This is particularly useful for international travel when luggage weight and space matter. The sneaker's relatively clean appearance also means it doesn't immediately announce itself as a performance shoe, which can be valuable when you're moving between sightseeing and more formal environments. The trade-off is that travelers looking for maximum running style cushioning may prefer one of the more athletic models higher on this list. The ECCO Soft 7 earns number 6 because it delivers something many travel sneakers overlook: the ability to combine everyday comfort with a polished, versatile appearance. If your trip includes sightseeing, restaurants, casual business environments, and plenty of walking, this is a sneaker that can simplify your entire travel wardrobe. Number 5. OnCloud 6. At number 5 we have the OnCloud 6, one of the most recognizable modern travel-friendly sneakers because of its combination of lightweight construction, everyday comfort, and distinctive styling. On has built much of its identity around creating shoes that feel athletic while still looking appropriate for everyday life. And that formula works extremely well for travel. The Cloud 6 doesn't have the visual bulk of some heavily cushioned walking shoes, which makes it appealing to travelers who don't want their footwear to dominate an outfit. At the same time, it provides enough cushioning and support for everyday walking and commuting. One of the biggest advantages is weight. When you're traveling, every little bit of weight matters, especially if you're trying to pack light. A lightweight sneaker can also feel more comfortable during long airport walks because you're not repeatedly lifting a heavy shoe with every step. That's a small difference that becomes more noticeable over thousands of steps. Another advantage is the shoe styling. The distinctive sole and clean upper give it a modern appearance that works with athletic clothing, casual outfits, travel pants, jeans, and shorts. That makes it easy to use as your primary sneaker throughout an entire trip. Another important quality is versatility. The Cloud 6 can handle airport walking, sightseeing, casual dining, commuting, and everyday errands without looking completely out of place. It also has a reputation for being easy to incorporate into a modern travel wardrobe because the silhouette doesn't rely on traditional running shoe styling. That gives it an advantage for travelers who want performance without looking overly sporty. Of course, the Cloud 6 won't necessarily be the best option for someone seeking maximum cushioning for extremely long walking days. Its strength is balance rather than maximum softness. The OnCloud 6 earns number 5 because it brings together lightweight construction, recognizable modern styling, everyday cushioning, and excellent travel versatility. If you're the type of traveler who wants a sneaker that looks equally comfortable in an airport, coffee shop, city center, and hotel lobby, the Cloud 6 is an especially compelling choice. Number 4. New Balance Fresh Foam X8 ADV15. Breaking into the top 4 is the New Balance Fresh Foam X8 ADV15, a sneaker that focuses on one of the most important characteristics for travel, dependable comfort over long periods of walking. The 880 has traditionally occupied the role of an everyday running and training shoe, and that makes it naturally suited to travelers who don't know exactly how many miles they will cover each day. You might plan to walk around one neighborhood and unexpectedly end up exploring the entire city. That's where a dependable cushion trainer can become extremely useful. The Fresh Foam X platform provides a comfortable underfoot experience designed for repeated steps, while the overall construction gives the shoe enough structure to feel secure during extended use. One of the biggest reasons this model works for travel is versatility. It can function as a walking shoe, running shoe, gym sneaker, and everyday casual shoe, potentially reducing the number of pairs you need to pack. If your hotel has a fitness center, you can use the same shoe for a quick workout. If you decide to go for a morning run, you don't need another pair. And if you're spending the afternoon sightseeing, the cushioning remains useful for long periods on your feet. Another advantage is New Balance's range of widths. Travelers have very different foot shapes, and a shoe that comes in multiple width options can be much easier to fit properly than a one-width only sneaker. That's especially important when you're going to be wearing the shoe for hours at a time. A shoe that feels slightly too narrow during a short shopping trip can become extremely uncomfortable after an entire day of walking. The 8 ADV15 also maintains a relatively conventional running shoe shape, making it familiar to runners who don't want an overly aggressive rocker or unusually tall platform. The New Balance Fresh Foam X8 ADV15 earns number 4 because it delivers dependable cushioning, everyday stability, with options, running versatility, and long walking comfort. For travelers who prioritize function over fashion but still want a sneaker that looks modern enough for everyday outfits, this is one of the most complete options on the list. Number 3. Skechers GoWalk 7. At number 3 is the Skechers GoWalk 7, and this sneaker is all about making everyday walking feel effortless. Skechers has built a huge presence in the walking category, and the GoWalk series is particularly relevant for travelers because it focuses directly on the activity most people perform during vacations: walking. The difference between a running shoe and a walking-focused sneaker can be subtle, but the geometry and overall feel can change the experience. The GoWalk 7 is designed to provide a comfortable platform for repeated, everyday steps without making the shoe feel excessively technical. That's useful when your travel itinerary involves airports, museums, shopping districts, sightseeing areas, and long city walks. One of the biggest advantages is its lightweight character. A travel shoe needs to feel easy on your feet, especially when you're already carrying luggage, backpacks, cameras, and other travel gear. A lighter sneaker can make those long days feel less demanding. Another strength is flexibility. Walking naturally involves repeated rolling motion from heel to toe, and a shoe that moves naturally with the foot can feel more comfortable than a rigid sneaker. The GoWalk line is designed around that easy walking sensation, making it particularly attractive to people who want something casual rather than a highly structured running trainer. Another advantage is the simple styling. The GoWalk 7 doesn't look overly aggressive, so it can be worn with travel clothing, casual trousers, shorts, and everyday outfits. That versatility becomes especially valuable when you're packing for several days. You want a shoe that can work with multiple outfits instead of requiring a specific wardrobe. The sneaker is also useful for travelers who prioritize comfort above all else and don't necessarily need the performance characteristics of a dedicated running shoe. The Skechers GoWalk 7 earns number 3 because it combines lightweight construction, walking-focused comfort, flexibility, casual styling, and everyday versatility. If your trip is going to involve more sightseeing than running, this is exactly the type of sneaker that can make sense as your primary travel companion. Number 2. ASICS Gel Nimbus 28. At number 2 is the ASICS Gel Nimbus 28, a sneaker that takes travel comfort into a more premium cushioning category. The Nimbus series has become well known for providing a highly cushioned experience, and that characteristic makes it particularly interesting for travelers who expect extremely long days on their feet. Think about what happens during a typical international trip. You might walk through an enormous airport before the flight, spend hours sitting on the plane, arrive at another airport, collect your luggage, find transportation, check into your hotel, and then still decide to explore the city. Your feet can accumulate a huge amount of stress before the vacation has even properly started. That's where substantial cushioning can make a difference. The GL Nimbus 28 provides a plush underfoot sensation designed to make repeated steps feel more forgiving. It also has the kind of running shoe construction that gives the foot a secure and supportive environment during longer periods of movement. Another major advantage is versatility. Although the Nimbus is primarily a running shoe, its comfort makes it perfectly capable of handling walking, sightseeing, airport travel, and general everyday activity. If you're also a runner, the advantage becomes even greater because one pair can cover your travel walking and your morning runs. That can save significant space in your luggage. Another strength is the modern appearance. The shoe clearly has athletic DNA, but current sneaker styling makes performance footwear increasingly acceptable as everyday fashion. Pair it with relaxed travel pants or athletic clothing, and it looks completely natural. Of course, the Nimbus 28 is not the lightest or most minimalist sneaker on this list. Its strength comes from cushioning rather than ultra-thin construction. Travelers who prioritize packing extremely light may prefer a slimmer shoe, but if your priority is comfort after hours of walking, the trade-off can be worthwhile. The ASICS Gel Nimbus 28 earns number 2 because it combines plush cushioning, supportive construction, running versatility, and long-duration comfort, making it an excellent choice for travelers who know their itinerary will involve serious mileage every day. Number 1. Brooks Ghost 18. Taking the number 1 position is the Brooks Ghost 18, and this shoe earns the top spot because it delivers one of the most balanced travel packages available in 2026. A great travel sneaker shouldn't be designed around only one feature. It needs enough cushioning for long walks, enough support for standing, enough versatility for different activities, enough durability for repeated use, and a shape that remains comfortable from morning until night. The Ghost 18 fits that philosophy extremely well. It has the familiar characteristics of a dependable daily trainer, but those same qualities make it surprisingly effective as travel footwear. The cushioning provides a comfortable platform for repeated steps, while the overall geometry remains predictable and approachable. That matters when you're walking through unfamiliar places because you don't want to spend your entire day thinking about your footwear. Another major advantage is versatility. You can wear the Ghost 18 for airport walking, sightseeing, casual running, hotel workouts, shopping, commuting, and general everyday use. That means one pair can potentially replace several specialized shoes in your luggage. Another strength is its familiar running shoe construction. Unlike some extremely specialized travel sneakers, the Ghost is designed for repeated movement and regular mileage, which means it is naturally prepared for the demands of long days. The upper also provides a secure environment for the foot, while the outsole is designed to handle everyday surfaces. The shoe's appearance is another advantage. It looks like a modern athletic sneaker without being so aggressive that it becomes difficult to style with casual travel clothing. That's important because many travelers want to take photographs, visit restaurants, and explore cities without constantly looking like they're dressed for a workout. The Brooks Ghost 18 earns number 1 because it successfully combines cushioning, stability, versatility, durability, everyday styling, and long-distance comfort. It may not be the most fashionable sneaker on the list or the lightest possible option, but when you're traveling, reliability matters. And when one pair needs to carry you through airports, flights, city streets, sightseeing, and unexpected adventures, reliability can be the most valuable feature of all.